So my experience started actually about 3 weeks after hers. She sent this out to me and I'm like, yeah, I supported her in her healthy endeavor, and I'm like, well, if I can't do it in a drive-through, I don't need it. So I put it in the cupboard and I let it sit for a few weeks, and then once it became my idea, then it was all good and game on. So my days start about 4:30 in the morning. I'm on my way, and I took the capsule, showered, DFT, and I drank the shake as soon as I got my pickup, about 20 minutes later. I'm driving along and it's like I got a kick in the rear end. And I'm like, no, there's no way. Nothing works this quick. Get to my destination, and which involves a morning meeting with about 20 guys who are very demanding. So normally I was in kind of a lethargic state, just kind of there, staring at the ceiling. And I found myself sitting there, and as they're rattling things off, it's like it's going through my mind 100 miles an hour, and I've got a plan. Get out of the morning meeting, and I scurry over to my office, and boom, by like 10 o'clock I had everything knocked out, which would normally before take me till 1, 2 o'clock. And what I found was I was done by 10, and I was on to preparing for the next day, and it was going way too smooth. Next day, do the same thing, get to the morning meeting, and again, it's like somebody installed new lights. Everything was brighter, clearer, This kept going and kept going. I'm like, certainly this is gonna end, and it hasn't. I've seen tremendous weight loss. When I first started 5 years ago, it was about a year in, I had lost, probably 18, 20 pounds. Burn came out, I gave it a week or two, and then I'm like, well, I'll try it. And I've actually lost about 30 additional pounds, so that's been a huge thing, and I think that's part of what people notice, especially at work, like, hey man, I don't see you parked outside the fitness center till midnight every night. What do you have going on? And it's part of the whole story, I guess.
And our kids have noticed a lot too of the patients, and things just roll off our backs much easier.
Yeah, more patience. I think both of us have gained patience, which has been a good thing.